What's up, guys? We're back with another Subaru build, and we're building a Subaru from bare shell to some sort of show car. And now it's time to upset some people. So, in this box is our kit, straight for ABW Motorsports. Thanks, Darren, for hooking us up and sorting us out. But people are going to see what's in this box and they're going to go, "You should have bought this. You should have bought that." Well, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm building it for me and for what I like, and I like to be different. So let's get it open and see what's in it. One quarter panel, second quarter panel, side skirt, rear seat delete, rear bench delete, front wing, another front wing, parcel shelf, rear bumper, front bumper. And these are for the back doors. So, for those that haven't guessed, this is a full kit for wide arched mix and match kit. So the side skirts, front wings and the rear quarters are a 22B kit. Now you could say, why do you not just buy a 3-door? Check the prices, that's why I didn't buy a 3-door. Why do you not just buy a 22B? Because I'm not a millionaire. So we're going to build a mix match because it's never going to be a 22B, it's never going to be a 3-door, but we're going to make my version of what I like. So, shut up, Sam. We'll get 22B back bumper, 22B quarters, side skirts, front wings, and a WRC front bumper. No front evil. Rear seat delete. So I think what we've left today is try and get it mocked up and see what happens. We've got a bonnet as well, so we're going to bring that on. So there we have it, 22B sides, WRC fronts, and a rear seat delete. So now the hard work really starts because we need to make this kit fit perfect, get it smoothed perfect, get it mounted perfect, painted perfect, all hopefully before Christmas. We'll wait and see. So just for people that want to know, the 22B is 40mm wider either side. This is actually 60mm wider, front and rear. So we're 120mm extra wide than standard and 40mm wider overall on an actual 22B. So let's get it fitted properly, see what happens.